Today we're going to make a paper plate pig. What you'll need for this craft are 2 paper plates, or you can use paper in the shape of circles. You'll also need some coloring utensils like paint or markers. You'll need some googly eyes. You'll need some scissors, some white glue or glue stick, and a black marker. For our first step, we will color our paper plates. If you're using paint, be sure the paint is dry before continuing. You may also want to put down some papers to keep from making a mess. Take one of your plates and cut a spiral out of it. With your second plate, cut a small circle. You can use the circle line in the middle of the plate as a guide. Next, cut out some ear shapes from the rim of the second plate. Next, cut out 4 legs. You can make them any shape you want. They don't have to be exactly like mine. But to make the feet look more like pig's feet, cut out a triangle at the bottom. This way they'll look more like hooves. Use the rim and cut out a smaller circle for the nose, and then 2 strips, one for a tail and one we will use to give our nose a 3D effect. These strips don't have to be perfect. They can be long or they can be short. It doesn't really matter. Using your black marker, you can color in details for your pig. The nostrils on the nose, even the bottom of the hooves. To attach the pig's nose, we will take one of our strips and fold it so it is flat on both the top and the bottom. Glue one flat end to the circle we cut out for our pig's face. Then add glue to the top and attach the nose. Now our pig's nose will pop out. Next, glue your ears and googly eyes. Add facial details with your marker. You can add a smile, maybe you want to add eyebrows, whatever you like. When you're happy with the pig's face, you can glue the head to the end of the swirl on the inside of the plate. This is the smaller end. Next, glue the feet onto different parts of the swirl that we've cut out. Use the final strip for the pig's tail. You can twist it up with your finger to make it curly, and then glue it down. If you used white glue, you might want to make sure the glue is dry first before you do anything else with this, such as hang it or play with it. But once it's dry, you are finished.